Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a product review with image in your Shopify online store. So this tutorial will be helpful if you wanted to add a product review with a image in your online store and increase the trust and sales of your business. Then you can watch this video and continue with me. So first of all, I'm going to open this apps. So I'm going to add this app's free product review with a photo, and this is a fully free. You no need to pay anything for this app to use in your online store, and I of course show you how you can add this app in your online store and how you can use this app. Okay, so before that, let's show the full description. Product review app let you import unlimited bulk review free of charge. So there is no charge to import unlimited reviews in our online store. Add unlimited product review. Okay, so we can also add unlimited product review at here in our online store. Publish unlimited review rating per product. Quickly and easily add text review or photo review on your store. Awesome. And easily collect and ask your customers to upload photo as a part of your review. So alongside adding review, you can also ask your customer to upload photo to provide a review, and that absolutely create the awareness of customer and build up trust on your product and business of new customers. List out all the authentic review in one review page. You can everything check in one review page, and upload any size image and product review apps will automatically resize for if speed optimization and performance. So there is no worry about product review will help you to optimize your image and resize. Collect review with additional 5 custom field. You can add additional 5 custom field as you wish. Also auto rotate image submitted by customer that make their entire experience hassle free, and display customer review count in the search engine with structural data that absolutely increase your SEO ranking on the search engine. I can say you definitely add rich snippet for product that absolutely need for every online store I recommend when I work for anyone. So let's start how we can add these apps in our online store. So first of all, I'm going to log in my Shopify online store, shopify.com. Then going to click on the login button. Then click on the my website name, so eCommerce assistant. Click on here. And waiting to get logged in. Okay, I have login. Now I'm going to click on the apps button. Then visit the Shopify App Store, and then we search this plugin. Search this apps. In the search field, going to click on the search icon, and we have find this one. Look here, the logo on the star, and going to click on here. And now we click on the add apps. Okay, we have added this app. Now click on the install app button. We have installed app. Now we have to add a review on our online store. So input review, installation, introduction. So we can click anyone of here. So I'm going to click on the installation introduction button or link. Okay, so we have first added this code, or we have to add this code. If we follow the installation instruction carefully, then we can find this process here. First of all, I need to include this code, so I'm going to copy this code. Where I have to add this in the product review liquid snippet at your product template. So I'm going to click on here. Product template will open. So product template open now. Product template, and I have added this code right here, and click on the save. So after that, if I visit my website, then I can see they are open or added a new add product review section. So I'm going to open this product. Here, so now I have to fix this design issue. Then we have to follow their second guideline. I have to add this code, copy in our style.css file. So where I get this css file, I just search theme dot slash, here the theme dot slash dot liquid, and click on here. Then we will add our code. We will add our code at the bottom. Add this code and click on the save. Save, and now refresh. It does not still fix it. Let me check. Okay, I'll fix this in later. So I think you can draw this at in a website very quickly. If you know CSS, then you can fix this issue also, but if you like to fix this issue, then you have to stay with me in this tutorials. For example, product Greek simple, product template, then I can add this code right. Oh, coffee and okay, I'm going to fix this one by CSS. Add this code. Now add padding 0. Okay,